Alright guys, I'm back today with another RPG show video, but of course you guys already know, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so that you do not miss out on a video. So just showing you guys what came in my box, which was a wig cap, an elastic band, and also some flyaway tamer. I also did go ahead and add the heat protectant spray on my wig. Now I ran out of my Beyond the Zone, so I am using my Tresemme heat protectant, which works just as fine. And you can also pick that up in your local drugstore, or if you are at Walmart, you can grab that, and it's very affordable. So this unit that I am working on right now is their blunt cut bob. This is in a yaki texture. I have it in the length 12 inches. It does come with a pre-plucked hairline. It comes with your medium brown lace color. This is a glueless full lace cap, and the cap size that I have on this one is a cap size 1. This unit does come with your standard cap construction. It comes with your 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, your adjustable straps, and you also do get an elastic band on the wig. Now with this unit, it comes with that transparent Swiss lace that's tinted, which I really do love because it helps the lace blend in really well with your skin. Now I did not bleach the knots on my unit. I just added a little bit of powder underneath. You guys have seen me do that method before on my channel. If the knots are very small, and then if I have really nice lace, I don't have to worry about going in and bleaching my knots because it's going to look very natural anyway. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add that flyaway tamer to the top of the unit, and then I will be taking my hot comb and I'm just going to press everything out so that it can lay very flat. When it comes to bob wigs, while I do love the kinky straight bob wigs, I feel like the yaki straight just works a little bit better for me because it is not as thick and it's easier to kind of maintain and deal with every day. Me struggling to get that part right in the middle. When I do a middle part, I try to make sure that it is perfect. I try not to make it look crooked, especially when it's on my head. It's just easier for me to part. So yeah, your girl was struggling, but I did use my Kaposi flat iron to go ahead and straighten this out, and you guys can definitely see a difference from when I flat ironed the unit and also the side that's not flat iron. You can see the texture very well. So the flat iron does knock out some of the texture, but it doesn't knock it out all the way to where it's going to come off looking silky. Definitely is flat ironing well for me. I'm not having any issues with it. I don't have this flat iron turned up very high. I believe I have it on 375 and it's getting the job done. I'm putting a very slight bump under the hair, nothing too much because it is a blunt cut, and I actually love this length on me. The 12 inches is hitting me just right, which is great for every day. And just making sure to comb out and get the back of this unit. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray some Got to Be Free spray in between my comb, and I'm going to run it over the top because I did notice some shorter hairs on this unit, and I noticed that a lot with some of the yaki bobs. You get a lot of the shorter hairs. So I'm going to take some more powder and go around the hairline and also go more into the parting space. Now this install was very simple, guys. You can pull this unit straight out of the box and wear it. All you have to do is just add a little bit of heat to it and just go on about your day. Now on the website, they do offer a deep bleach option because I did not bleach my knots. That is something new that the company is starting to offer, which I am very, very happy about. Now the glueless full lace cap is 100% in density, but if you get the lace front cap, it's going to be 200%. I prefer the 100% on their yaki and kinky straight units because they give you a lot of hair, so it's not going to be thin at all. Website, they also offer this unit in 14 inches if the 12 is too short for you, and you can also get the silky texture if you are not feeling the yaki. This unit does also come in the number 1 color. It also comes in the number 3 and the number 4, but I love the way that the natural color looks because you can't tell me this is not my hair. Not to bleach the knots, I just feel like the powder did really good. Of course, you can see a little bit of the knots, but unless you just all up in my head, It's really not a big deal. And then of course the pre-plucked hairline looks nice. You can always go in and customize it a little bit more. This unit, I am not going to expect much tangling. However, I did get a little bit of shedding with this unit. This unit is very natural. I love their bob units. I feel like they just do such a good job with the cut, and this yaki texture I am definitely feeling. So guys, let me know what you think about this unit, and if you are feeling it. Of course, I will have a coupon code for you guys to save some money on this unit. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, once again, please hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so that you do not miss out on a video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.